Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's learn to turn on your Xfinity Xumo Box without remote. So here's a guide for your front button and app control. Step 1. Force a hard power cycle turn on. Walk over to your Xumo Stream box and locate the black power cable plugged into the back panel. Pull the power pin straight out of the box to cut off the electrical current completely. Wait exactly 30 seconds to drain any residual charge left on the internal system board. Plug the power cord back into the box. The Xumo hardware will automatically bypass standby mode and boot up to a live stream. Step 2. Use the Xumo Box physical hardware button. Look closely at the external casing of your Xumo Stream Box hardware. Locate the tiny physical reset or power button typically positioned on the bottom casing panel or near the rear ports. Press the button firmly once while the unit is plugged into the wall. Watch the front panel LED light change from off to a solid light indicating the box has initialized its boot cycle. Step 3. Trigger turn on via TV HDMI CEC settings. Locate your original TV manufacturer remote, not the Xumo remote. Turn on your television set and press the menu or settings button. Navigate to your TV's connection properties and ensure HDMI CEC, called as AnyNet Plus on Samsung, Bravia Sync on Sony, or Viara Link on Panasonic is toggled on. Change your TV's active display source directly to the Xumo Box HDMI port. This action pushes a wake-up data signal through the cable to automatically power on the box. Step 4. Connect the Xumo mobile app remote. Ensure your mobile smartphone is connected to the exact same home Wi-Fi network line as your streaming box. Download and launch the official Xumo TV app or the Xfinity app on your device. Tap the remote or device's icon on your screen and select your Xumo Stream box from the local network device matrix. Tap the virtual power button on your phone screen to transmit an instantaneous wake command over Wi-Fi. Step 5. Plug in a temporary USB keyboard. Locate the open USB port built into the side or rear profile of your Xumo Stream box. Insert the data wire or wireless receiver dongle of a standard computer USB keyboard into the port. Tap the spacebar or enter key on the keyboard layout multiple times. This action sends an external hardware input command that automatically wakes the system chip out of its deep sleep mode. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.